How to stop Patreon subscription and disable auto-renew. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can cancel your subscription and turn off auto-renew quickly so you don't get charged again if you no longer plan to continue. Start by opening your account and logging in. Once you're in, look for your profile icon and go to your account settings. From there, find the section that shows your active memberships. This is where you'll see all the creators you're currently supporting. Choose the one you want to stop and open its membership details so you can manage it directly. Inside that page, look for the option that lets you edit or manage your membership. This is where you'll find the control or cancel or stop your subscription. Once you click it, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. Follow the prompts carefully because this step is what officially turns off auto-renew, meaning you won't be billed again in the next cycle. It's important to understand what happens after you cancel. Your access doesn't always end immediately. In most cases, you can still view the content until the current billing period finishes. So if you already paid for the month or year, you can continue using your benefits until that time runs out, even after turning off your auto-renew. If you're on an annual plan, the process is similar but the timing works differently. Canceling will stop the next yearly charge, but it won't refund the current period. This means you'll keep access for the rest of the year you already paid for, and then it will end automatically once that period is over. Another thing to double check is your billing status after canceling. Go back to your memberships page and make sure the status shows that the subscription is ending or no longer active. This gives you confirmation that auto-renew has been successfully disabled and you won't be charged again. If you ever change your mind, you can always rejoin the same creator later by subscribing again. The process is flexible so you're not locked in permanently. By following these steps, you're making sure your subscription is fully stopped and auto-renew is turned off. It only takes a few minutes and once done, you won't have to worry about unexpected charges in the future.